G'day, here's a little parcel of mixed pieces of Boulder Opal, and there's a few other pieces, like there's a bit of black opal being thrown in, there's a bead down there. It's just bits and pieces that was collected from underneath a workbench. I'll put it together as a little deal. Gives you the opportunity to buy something a bit different perhaps. We'll go in a bit closer. The rules in millimetres, just to give you an idea. But it's bits and pieces. A little bit of matrix there. Not a lot of colour. Pipes. I don't think this material will cut, but you might be able to cut the opal out and polish that, like this piece here. And there's other bits and pieces. Here's that bead. Why beads aren't the bits cracked off there. Very high rate of destruction on them trying to make them. That's different people try and give up. Too much material gets lost. There's a few little rejects here of different sorts of opal. It's probably a bit of white potch out of the boulder. A few bits of black amongst it. But the bulk of it is this, or the large volume part of it is this material, which I've basically thrown in, whether you get anything out of it, but there's a few smaller pieces there that you could make as little stones. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.